Namo Namaha Sarvebhyah. Today we are dealing with the topic known as Lakara Parivartanam. To understand the topic Lakara Parivartanam, first we have to understand the types of Lakara. Here we can see there are five types of Lakara: Lat Lakaraha, Lot Lakaraha, Lut Lakaraha, Lang Lakaraha, and Vidiling Lakaraha. Out of this, Lut and Lut are quite similar because endings are same. Only few changes takes place. Apart from that, we can see over here that the many of the lakaras which are divided into five, we can change any one sentence into another lakar. यदि हम उदाहरण देखेंगे, सह बालकः पठति, पठति is lat lakarah, and if anyone says to convert it into lot lakarah, which is below it, so I have to do सह बालकः पठतु. Now definitely you will ask how you have done all these things. So to understand this thing, we can see the small changes are required and we can deal accordingly. ये चेंजेस हम कर सकते हैं, किस तरीके से करेंगे तो उसके लिए अलग ज़्यादा कुछ हमें देखने का जरूरत नहीं. वी हैव टू जस्ट सी द टेबल्स. नाउ व्हेन आई से सह बालकः पठति, इन द टेबल वी कैन सी पठति इज लट लकार prathama purushah ekavachanam, and when it is said that we have to do lot lakara, at that time we have to add lot lakara prathama purush ekvachanam kriyapad of pathati, and that is patatu. Hence my sentence is sah balakah patatu. I have to keep the entire sentence as it is. Only the word, action word which is in the any other lakara, that I have to change. Now suppose sentence is um, ताहा महिलाः पुस्तकम् अपठन्. ताः महिलाः पुस्तकम् अपठन्. Now ताः महिलाः पुस्तकम् अपठन्. अपठन् is lang lakar prathama purushah bahuvachanam. Now when someone says to change it into Vidiling lakar, then Vidiling lakar I have to keep whole sentence as it is. Taha mahilaha pustakam. Instead of apathan, prathama purush bahuvachanam of lang lakara, I will use prathama purushah bahuvachanam of Vidiling lakarah, and that is patheyuh. So sentence will be Taha mahilaha pustakam patheyuh. This much change I have to do. Only one step I have to follow while jumping from one lakar to another lakar, purusha and vachanam. If I use same purusha and vachana in different lakar, I can change any lakar to any lakar. One more example we will see. Now there is a sentence, tvam patham pathishyasi. Tvam patham pathishyasi. Now in this sentence, you will find tvam patham pathishyasi is lrut lakarah, madhyama purushah ekavachanam. Now when this lrut lakarah madhyamah purushah ekavachanam pathishyasi is there, and if someone says me to change it into lat lakarah, so to jump from lrut to lat, what I have to do? I have to see madhyamah purushah ekavachanam. So madhyamah purushah ekavachanam will be over here of lat lakara, that is patasi. So tvam patham patasi will be my answer. So in this way, while jumping from one lakar to another lakara, we have to focus on the purusha and vachanam of that kriyapad. For that, we have to know all the endings. These are the endings of Parasmay Pad. Accordingly, there are the endings of Atmane Pad also. So almost you should be by hearted all the endings so that you can make your own Lakara Parivartana sentences. So meaning, let's understand. If I say Sah Patham Pathati, तो पुस्तक वाचतो, वह पुस्तक पढ़ रहा है, he is reading book. But same thing when I am saying in lot lakar, it is order. Tvam pustakam patha, tu pustak वाच, tu pustak पढ़, you read a book. In lot lakar future tense it will be tu pustak वाचशील. In uh, Hindi we can say tu pustak पढ़ेगा. In English we can say you will read a book. In lang lakar it will be tu pustak वाचले, तूने पुस्तक पढ़ा, you read a book. and विधिलिंग लकार में it will be तू पुस्तक वाचावे, आपने पुस्तक पढ़ना चाहिए या तूने पुस्तक पढ़ना चाहिए, and you should read a book. So these are the changes happens according to the meaning lut, lut, lung and vidiling. So understand the meaning also. There are two concepts, one technical concepts which I have mentioned you in the beginning, and second meaning wise changes. So once you will understand the meaning wise changes, now you will understand everything. So once again I am repeating, tvam pustakam pathasi, तू पुस्तक वाचत आहेस, यू आर रीडिंग बुक. त्वम पुस्तकम पठ, तू पुस्तक वाच, तू पुस्तक पढ़, यू रीड अ बुक. त्वम पुस्तकम पठिष्यसि, तू पुस्तक वाचशील, तू पुस्तक पढ़ेगा, यू विल रीड अ बुक. त्वम पुस्तकम अपठः, तू पुस्तक वाचले, तूने पुस्तक पढ़ा, यू रेड अ बुक. अँड त्वम पुस्तकम पठेः, तू पुस्तक वाचावे, तूने पुस्तक पढ़ना चाहिए, you should read a book. So understand this concept by both the ways, technically as well as meaning wise. For exam technicality is important, but for learning language you should understand technicalities with meaning, so that we can say you have understood whole concept. Thank you so much. Be touched with the subscribing this channel for more videos. Thank you. Bye everyone.